Hello, my dear students and viewers. So today is the last part of making sentence, regular verbs making sentence. So I hope uh, in my last class or previous tutorial you see and practice at your home or with your friends. So just practice and keep it on. So let's start to making sentence with regular verbs. Think. The Titanic sink. Okay. Teach. Uh, the teacher teaches us English. Touch. Don't touch Al-Quran without uh, face your body or bias environment. Okay, peer environment, anything. Throw or test. Uh, take a test. Okay, take a test the fruit. Throw. Don't throw the dust anywhere. Just without a fixed or fixed place. Thank. I thanked you. Okay, take. After working a long time, take rest and start again. Try always try to your best, but never keep it up, give up. Okay, think. Whenever you want to making a sentence, think, then apply these kinds of verbs in your sentence. Tell. Never tell a lie and never believes a liar. Cheer. uh, he's crying and I see and yeah, okay, okay, that butter one tear part by part. Okay, where we wear new dresses at our Eid al-Fitr or celebrate. Want, what do you want? Woke up. Okay, woke up early in the morning. Wash your hand before meal or before taking food. Right. Whenever you take time, write something about your life and honest activities. Okay, then wait. Wait here until I come back. Walk fast to get the train. Work. Work properly and not only hardly but also intelligently. Okay. I wish. I wish I were a honest man or I were a billionaire to support the poor people. Wait. Oh, Raju's mother wear a nice dress. Win. We win the match. So, my dear students, today is the last class, and take I already took the past in past class in all regular verbs. So, these kinds of all are regular verbs. So, basically, in our day-to-day life we use these kinds of all verbs, and if you want to speak frequently, but you have to firstly complete your basic speaking challenge, then you can complete or you can go next step. Every language has some starting point, so I'm also this step maybe, but you cannot learn overnight a language because it's a very struggle time. It's a very it's a very passionate, it needs very passionate, it's very compassion and also etc etc. So you have to take time and practice at your home, that I give all the verb and practice at your home and apply. So if you want to learn more, just knock me at the comment box and I will give you more daily regular verbs. So thank you, my dear students.